Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town. Now, how about the duration of this tournament? So basically, for each season, it will be 5 weeks. Okay, it will be 5 weeks. And then for the first season, it's actually been started on the 31st of March. Okay, and then as of today, it's 12th of April. So we are entering the second week of this season 1 competition, and it will end on the 5th of May. So you might be wondering, currently it's in week 2. Can I still join? Can I still register myself for this competition? Yes. You can register yourself even on the last day of this competition. Let's say, for example, this competition ends on 30th that month. You still can register yourself on 30th that month. But there are certain terms and conditions which I'll tell you later lah. So basically, you can see that for each season, it will be 5 weeks, and then after that, followed by 1 week break before we enter into season 2. And then for the first 3 seasons, it will be stock season until July. After that, we will start with structure warrant trading competition on August all the way till December. Okay, this one clear? Everyone clear for this trading tournament season? And then the green one means the starting date. The blue one means the last day of the competition.